Hi you guys, and today I'm going to be doing some slime ASMR. And the things you guys need for this is some slime basically. And I basically went out and bought the slime, but I added some stuff to it. I just don't need to say. In this slime, this is makeup coloring. So yes, I know, a bit crazy, but here. So I'm going to use a tennis racket for this. So I just feel like this might look a bit cool. So, and yeah, I'm going to use some slime. So we're going to pour out this slime, obviously, to use it. That's what you guys need. Basically the main ingredient is slime. It's just slime. Now, I know that you guys are like, you pop the bubble, and I just feel like it's satisfying. But if like, imagine that I made a big bubble with the tennis racket and it went like that. That's just annoying. So let's get into it. So I know that I'm going to record from a very oddly spot. That's just because that's how I roll. No, it's actually because I don't have anything to hold above. Let's go slime on me. I don't have anything to hold from above right now. If I did, I had maybe a camera. What? Yeah, the hairband, and I could fit my camera there. Got slime my hair. Yeah, I would do that, but I can't. I'm so sorry. But here, let's go into it. So, I don't know. Okay. You guys, I have to pause that for a second. Last time I don't know what I'm doing right now. I think I'll know what I'll do now. I'm pretty crazy. Okay, you guys. Okay, guys. This is actually a plastic tennis racket. I know most people, famous people, with slime. Sorry, that was my friend. Slime would basically, they would have metal tennis, the basic tennis racket that you play tennis with. But I'm pretty upset. But yes, I'm happy because this one I feel like might actually be best for slime pressing because legs can bend it like a basic tennis racket. So a basic tennis racket does not bend. So that means that I could bend this and I could take off the slime easier. But if I had a metal one, I'd be like, But just for this, I just have to go like this, that, and then a big one there. Done. But for the other ones, I have to kind of whack it. But for this ones, I can kind of like push it in and done. So I recommend getting one of these. They're just $150. Let's go again. Sorry about that noise in the background. If you guys hear it, it's just a lot more. So that was like 7 minutes wasted this time of your time, but if you guys actually enjoyed it, but you guys want more ASMR, what's actually proper, because I don't want ASMR. But anyways, if you guys want to see normal ASMR, and yeah, just comment down below, and I'll just do a new video of ASMR, but I'll say blah blah blah. And also, you guys, slime contains chemicals as well, like glue and dish soap and all, maybe. So please, if you guys are like 8 or under, maybe 6 or under, I don't know, if 5 or under, yeah, just don't let under 5-year-olds play with slime, because I almost got slime in my eye. So bye, don't forget to smile, and also have a great day.